Hello, my name is Michael O'Connor. This is my Sarsa-Lamda Gridworld project for AI Fall Semester 2015. Before I start the GUI, I just want to go over some of the code. I have alpha set to 0.5. I have gamma set to 0.8. I have this should actually be lambda, but it's set to 0.9. I have epsilon also set to 0.9. This will decay after each episode in which the agent reaches the terminal state. And I have that decaying by a rate of 0.001. And I believe that's it that I want to talk about. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and start the GUI. Alright, so when I start the GUI, uh, gold square represents the goal. Black squares represent walls in which the agent will receive a negative reward. So I'll go ahead and add some walls and then get to training. So right now I have it set to train for 1,000 episodes. So that might take a little while. But while it's training, I'll talk about the Q table and E table labels on the right side of the grid world. The Q table label just will show the state action values for the cell. Um, it's a list with the 0 position representing the north state action, and then going in a clockwise direction, 1 would be east, 2 south, 3 west. And the E table is set up the same way. Also epsilon, it'll show what the current epsilon is for that episode. And yeah, after 1,000 iterations, it decays to 0.1. 0.1 is where I have it set to stop decaying, so that way the agent can still explore. Okay, so I'll talk about these colored cells. I trace the whole path. The green cell that's fixed and not moving is the starting state, and the green cell that's jumping around everywhere is where the agent currently is. Um, so as the agent moves, the cells closest to where it is will be red, and then going back to the starting state, or cells that have more decay will start to turn blue. And so basically it's just a way to visualize the reward when the agent hits a terminal state. The redder it is, the higher the reward will be for it. The more blue it is, the lower the reward will be. So you can see here its E table is 0.72 there, zero point 0.5, well, there we go, 0.72, 0.5, blah, 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 blah. And then as it decays, gets lower and lower. So it looks like the agent learned decent enough. I don't see any flipped arrows anywhere. Well, yeah, actually there is up towards the top. It seems like kind of this area, this middle area, is where the agent can actually perform well. Probably because it hits these cells more often than the ones towards the corners. As it seems the corners are where I have issues with the cells. There's state actions facing each other, causing the agent to jump back and forth. With that said, thank you for watching. This is the end of my demo.